Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 63 Marchamley Street in Carlisle. You've heard the old adage, location, location, location. Well, this home has it in spades. We're only 50 metres away from the Fletcher Park Precinct. What that means to you is you get the beautiful location without the $1 million price tag. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 63 Marchamley Street in Carlisle. As you can see, it's a great entry-level home to get you into the sought-after Fletcher Park Precinct. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.